Hi Sam. I'm excited to see you today. We're going to learn a new word.
Sprechstunde.
Hi Alex.
Sprechstunde.
That sounds interesting. What does it mean?
Great question.
Sprechstunde.
Means consultation hour or office hour. It's most commonly used in contexts like schools or doctor's offices, where you can meet someone to discuss things. Just be careful, because it can be confused with
Speaking hour.
which is not quite the same.
So, is it a noun?
Yes, it is. The article for
Sprechstunde. Die.
and the plural form is.
Sprechstunden.
It's feminine, so you can remember it by thinking of
Die.
as the in English, which is commonly used for feminine nouns in German.
How do you use it in sentences?
In the present tense, you might say,
Ich habe eine Sprechstunde.
meaning I have a consultation hour. For the past tense, you would use the Präteritum.
Ich hatte eine Sprechstunde.
And in the perfect, you say,
Ich habe eine Sprechstunde gehabt.
if you want to give an imperative, it could be,
Habe eine Sprechstunde.
if you are advising someone to have one.
That's pretty clear. Where does the word come from?
Sprechstunde.
Comes from the German words,
Sprechen.
meaning to speak, and
Stunde.
meaning hour. So, it literally translates to speaking hour. The root
Sprechen.
has its origins in Old High German,
Sprechen.
which also means to speak.
That's fascinating. So, how do the parts of the word fit together?
Let's break it down. The prefix is,
Sprech.
which relates to speaking, and the root is,
Stunde.
meaning hour. Together, they create the idea of a designated time to speak. Since it's a compound, it follows the head-last rule, so the gender is determined by
Stunde.
which is feminine.
That makes sense. Are there other similar words?
Absolutely. Here are some examples. First, with the same prefix,
Sprech.
theirs,
Gespräch.
meaning conversation. Then, with the same suffix,
Stunde.
theirs,
Bürostunde.
which translates to office hour. You can also find
Lehrstunde.
meaning lesson hour, and
Sprechstunde.
itself. Another group would be words like
Sprechverhalten.
meaning speaking behavior, and
Sprechpause.
which is speaking pause.
Wow, there are a lot of them. Can you give me some sentences using
Sprechstunde.
Sure. You could say,
Die Lehrerin hat eine Sprechstunde am Dienstag.
meaning the teacher has a consultation hour on Tuesday. Or,
Ich bin in der Sprechstunde.
which means I am in the consultation hour.
I see. Can I try making a sentence?
Of course.
Ich habe eine Sprechstunde am Freitag.
Perfect. That means I have a consultation hour on Friday. Great job, Sam. Now, let's think about where this word is useful. Imagine you're at school. You might say,
Wann ist die Sprechstunde?
meaning when is the consultation hour? Or at the doctor's office, you could say,
Ich möchte einen Termin in der Sprechstunde.
which means I would like an appointment during the consultation hour.
Let me try.
Wann ist die Sprechstunde?
Excellent. That's exactly right.
What about the gender hint?
Good question. You can remember that
Sprechstunde.
is feminine because it ends with, which is a common hint for feminine nouns. Additionally, when you think of the word, imagine a woman speaking during her office hour.
Got it. Are there any usage notes I should be aware of?
Yes, it's generally formal, especially in academic or medical contexts. Common phrases include
Sprechstunde halten.
meaning to hold a consultation hour,
In der Sprechstunde sein.
meaning to be in the consultation hour, and
Eine Sprechstunde vereinbaren.
meaning to arrange a consultation hour. Just remember it can be confused with,
Sprechzeit.
which is more informal.
I see. Can you give me some example sentences in different tenses?
Sure. Here are some.
Die Sprechstunde beginnt 3 Uhr.
Meaning the consultation hour starts at 3 o'clock. Then, you might say,
Ich habe die Sprechstunde letzte Woche gehabt.
which means I had the consultation hour last week. And one more.
Wann endet die Sprechstunde?
Meaning when does the consultation hour end?
This is really helpful. Can I try answering some quick questions you have?
Definitely. First question, what is the article for?
Sprechstunde.
It's
Die.
Correct. Second question, how do you say I had a consultation hour in Prateritum?
Ich hatte eine Sprechstunde.
Right again. Third question, what does
Sprechverhalten.
mean?
speaking behavior.
Yes, that's it. Fourth question, can you give me a sentence using
Sprechstunde.
in the perfect?
Ich habe eine Sprechstunde gehabt.
Perfect. Last question, what is the plural form of
Sprechstunde.
Sprechstunden.
Exactly. You did great, Sam. To wrap up, today we learned about
Sprechstunde.
which means consultation hour. We explored its meaning, grammar, and even similar words. Keep practicing using it in your conversations, and you'll remember it in no time.
Thanks, Alex. I really enjoyed learning this word today.
I'm glad to hear that. Keep up the good work, and I can't wait to see what you learn next time.